Hey everybody, it's November. It's How to Kill a Kit with Style Day. Actually, most of my other participants are probably going to have their videos up yesterday, but you can find all of their channel links down below to hang out with them and see what they made last month and what they're making this month. So How to Kill a Kit with Style update. I've got a couple of little things to tell you. First of all, there's going to be a giant hop later on this month. November marks the 3rd anniversary of when I started How to Kill a Kit with Style. We have, said goodbye to some people. We've said hello to new YouTubers. We have changed, and this is such a great video series because it allows us to kind of go with the flow and create content for you while kind of being fluid with our schedules. So we have a huge hot plan for you towards the end of the month. Shout out to Jen Gain. She is KAKWS on YouTube, and her link is down below. She is organizing the best hop ever. You guys are gonna love it so much. She, over in the How to Kill a Kit with Style Facebook group, in case you didn't know, she's kind of like my right-hand man, my wing woman. She helps me out with all of the behind the scenes stuff and organizing stuff. How to Kill a Kit with Style would have ended long ago if it weren't for her, because I would have at some point been unable to keep it going. I just know it. So huge shout out to Jen. I love you, girl. And yeah, let's get started. So be sure to hop along with everyone down below and keep your ears open for some more information about the YouTube pop that's coming in November. So I did 2 layouts with my kit this month, so not a lot. That's okay. Here is the first one that I did. This was for my Laura Sketches Reimagined, and I used all these gorgeous paper pumpkins that I put together. Love this layout. The second layout that I did is in my fall album, and the flip through for that is coming up on Thursday, but it's already in the album and put away, and the idea of getting it out kind of made me twitch. So anyway, Mega Fall Kits. This is the last month for the Mega Fall Kit. So I have kept all the papers. I have the my scraps here. I'm keeping all of these beautiful die cut letters and stamped letter alphabets I made. I'm going to have to change up my use of this kit during the month of November because we just did not get good fall weather this year. I have very, very few fall pictures that I have to scrapbook. Of course, my ones from last year are all done and in their album. So my plan of attack for November is I want to create a couple of school paper pages. So I have this paper, and then I thought I could mix it in with some of this scrap. I'm going to kind of make like a little page kit here, and then pull in some white to kind of offset some of this dark coloring. So I was thinking that way. I was thinking towards school. And also, you guys know I have been trying really, really hard to get not only my 2018 mini albums and Traveler's Notebooks projects done, but I have 2 projects for 2021 that I want to work on. One of them is my Me, Myself, and I journal. And then I also have my books of 2021 Life Crafted album that I really want to kind of get caught up with, and I want to have this finished so I can start a new book journal in 2022. So I am going to take away some of the products just like I did last month. So I'm going to take away the foil, which I did use, my pumpkins because I used those, some of the dies and the Scrap and Happy Studio Flair that I didn't use. Put these dies away and kind of do a bit of a refresh. So I'm not going to add any paper to my kit for November because I want to kind of use up these scraps. I still do have a couple of full sheets here, but primarily my plan is to kind of definitely 100% get some of these scraps out. I'm also thinking that I can do I'm going to leave these in because these colors match my kit perfectly. And these are dog flare. So I always have pictures of my dog. So we're good with that. I am going to go ahead and keep my custom made tile letters in my kit because I think that those are going to work out really well and work really good. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add in the same types of products I have been using in my kit, just kind of revamping it a little bit. So I grabbed some Scrap and Happy Studio Flair. I got some of these book flares to use with my book album in this kit. And then I also got this one. I also pulled this one out, which is all about coffee, because you know what? I have so many coffee photos. I can always do a full layout about coffee. So I got those ones. Then I have got to show you these things. So as many of you know, I really, really, really enjoy flares. All the flares, the epoxy flares, the regular flares. I'm a flare girl. So I pulled out some of Dottie About flares. I have 4 little flares here that look really cute. See if we can get them to pop up there. So I'm going to add those into my kit. Again, thinking about, you know, the idea of doing some cute school photos and things like that. Some cute coffee photos. And then these, so this month Adam came out at Dottie About Flare. He came out with these 2-inch flares. You guys, these are like big mama flares. Look at these. So I've already used a couple. I think I bought 3 or 4 packs of them because they were so cool. And I've already used them, so I know that I love them. And I went ahead and grabbed 5 of them because they kind of matched the colors. I thought they looked really cute. And then I grabbed all the school/book stamps from my stash. So this one is a Kelly stamp. This one is from Future Craft. This is the Reading with Hiba stamp. This one is from Wild Whisper Designs. This is their One More Chapter stamp. This one is from Journals of Life, and this is all book stamps. I grabbed all the book stamps. And then I have this one from Journals of Life, which is like the school stamp that I got. I really, really love this stamp. And then I got this one, which is like a book. A stack of books from Deep Red. I bought this at a Cherry on Top ages and ages ago. This one's from Journals of Life. I love this because I read on an e-reader for most of my books. And then I have this one from Prima, which is School Memories. And this one, which is from Stamperia. That I just like this idea of having like all this text. So that is my plan. In addition to this, I have pulled out my Books of 2021 album that I'm going to try to work in for my projects using this. And then I also have hanging out on my desk photos for 2 school layouts. These will both be 8.5 by 11 school layouts, which is totally fine. And so that's kind of my plan. My plan is to use to kind of catch up or do a couple pages in my Books of 2021 album, and then do those 2 school pages. And I have dog photos that I can throw one of those in and use up those flare too. So that's my game plan for my kit for November. And then in December, we are going on vacation. So bit of news, how to kill a kit with style. We always go on vacation for the month of December, but then we'll be back again in January and I will have a mega winter kit for you. Okay, everybody, have a great day and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.